Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are jumping straight into the boardroom.
Right into the deep end.
Exactly. We're looking at how AI is shifting from, a side project to the absolute core of decision making. We've gone through the sources, especially the work from Johan Steyn, to really get you the strategic shortcut.
And it's a needed shortcut.
It really is. Our mission here isn't just about the tech itself. It's about that fundamental transformation leaders need to make.
And the money.
And the money. How you draw a straight line from a massive AI investment to a real measurable return. Okay, let's unpack this.
What's fascinating here is when you look at the data, you see a consistent pattern of failure.
It's incredible.
It is. Steyn points out that while everyone knows AI is a critical driver, so many companies just get stuck.
Stuck in that pilot phase, right?
Exactly. Projects just don't move past the pilot. And it's not because the tech is bad. It's usually one of three things. No clear strategy, not enough real technical know-how at the top, and well, they just can't prove the ROI.
It's hard to believe how many millions are just burned in that phase. What's the biggest drain they point to?
It's that lack of direction. 100%. The boardroom has to get past the buzzwords.
Chasing shiny objects.
Yes. If you're just chasing every new AI tool, you end up with these costly, fragmented experiments that go absolutely nowhere. It all comes down to focus.
Okay, so strategy is step one. But how do you prove the investment is working in the short term? It sounds like you can't just try to automate everything at once.
You absolutely cannot. The smart strategy is to target very specific, very measurable pain points.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay. Take supply chain management. AI can be used to optimize logistics, predict demand swings, maybe even spot a disruption before it even happens.
Or customer service.
Or customer service. Simple AI chatbots can handle all the routine stuff, which frees up your human agents to deal with the really complex problems, the ones that actually build customer loyalty.
Which brings us right back to securing that ROI. And that takes, meticulous planning. It's so much more than just buying some software.
So much more. You have to invest in the infrastructure and, crucially, in data governance.
And that data governance piece is it's everything. People hear the term and their eyes glaze over, but it's the rules that keep your data clean and secure.
And without clean, accessible data, your AI is basically flying blind. But even with perfect tech and perfect data, you still need the talent. You need an AI-literate workforce.
When leaders hear AI-literate workforce, I think a lot of them just see massive job cuts or, some kind of costly HR nightmare. How does Steyn say we should think about that human investment?
He argues the true power of AI is not in displacement, but in augmenting what humans can do.
So job evolution.
Job evolution, that's the term he uses. It means employees are freed up to focus on the higher value, creative, and complex tasks. If you're leading a team, investing in your people skills isn't just an HR problem, it's how you future-proof your own department.
That idea of job evolution connects directly to the bigger picture, doesn't it? For the whole economy.
It does. When companies get this right, it drives economic growth. And it creates new, high-skilled jobs that require those augmented human capabilities we were just talking about.
Which puts an immediate demand on our education systems then.
A huge demand. To get ready for this future of human-AI collaboration, we have to be prioritizing digital literacy, critical thinking, problem-solving skills right now.
And we can't overlook governance. The source is really clear on this. Responsible AI governance, things like tackling algorithmic bias and data privacy, it's framed as a strategic necessity.
It's not just a moral issue.
No, not at all. Bad governance means you have flawed data, which means your AI fails. It's a business firewall, really. It builds trust, and it ensures you can actually grow sustainably.
So the core takeaway for you is this. Strategically integrating AI into the boardroom is, well, it's no longer optional. It is the critical path to staying competitive.
So if an effective AI strategy means leaders have to understand both the tech and the future needs of their people, we have to ask, what new metrics should the boardroom be using to measure the health and adaptability of its human capital right alongside its investment in AI? Something to chew on until the next dive.